Hi everybody, this is a video on how to make a solar oven and cook with it. So these are the ingredients or materials you'll need. A large pizza box, black marker, box cutter, aluminum foil. That's important. Clear plastic wrap, I use the Ziploc bag because it's food grade and it won't be toxic. First you draw a box on your box and then you cut it out. You don't cut this out entirely, you fold it up. And then you wrap aluminum foil around that lid. You can use glue or tape, and the important thing is that you seal off this hole with saran wrap, and again I use a Ziploc bag. You want to make it sealed on both sides, and you'll trap some air in the middle to act as an insulator. Inside the box you will put some aluminum foil and then something black, like black construction paper. I use the black cloth bag.
Hi everybody, these are all the materials we need for our experiment to make a solar oven.
Drawing a square right in the middle of the box. What we want to do is leave a little bit of space at the edges. One of the Ziploc bags is going to go into the window here. See, that's good. If you're resistant, then you're going to have to cut a smaller square. Be careful when you do this so you don't cut your fingers. All right.
Aluminum foil. And you notice there's a shiny side and a dull side. We're going to use the shiny side. There, part one done. Part two. Some aluminum foil on the inside. It's actually going to add a little bit of reflection from inside the oven, and that will help heat up the oven a little bit more. I have no more black construction paper. I'm going to put this in the middle to absorb heat. Nifty groove right here that was already there. Put that on there, and then so we have a layer of Ziploc on top. We have a layer underneath. This will create some insulation. I take one clip and I clip it to
The barbecue cover.
in such a way that the clip and the string will pull the lid open. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to reflect the sunlight into the oven. It feels pretty warm.
And I found that the wind was blowing the lid backwards, so I attached the green string to the front to hold the lid open. So what exactly is the temperature anyway? Well, we measured the air temperature outside of the box. This is what we saw.
That it is 31 degrees Celsius. This has been in here.
For 1 hour.
It's been out. Oof. Holy smokes. It's past
The highest dot on the thermometer, which is 165 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, now it's 15 minutes later. Take a look at it. Oh, the cheese is melted. I think that is done.
Cheese, not your cheese.
Thank you, River Pizza, for donating the boxes. This is some nachos made in the solar oven.